Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video we will talk about Duik Angela IQ rigging. I will show how to rigging hand character with 3 different ways. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and we have 3 conversation. First, hand 1 conversation. I have 3 hand layers. And second conversation, I have only 1 hand layer and hand 3. Again, I have 3 hand layers. So let's back to first conversation and go to window, open Duik Angela. If you have not Duik Angela, I will add link in description below. So after open Duik Angela, let's change work area and select this hand 1. Let's go to solo. Select pen behind, move the anchor point down. And select this hand 2, let's go to solo. Move the anchor point again down. And select hand 3, go to solo. And move the anchor point here. Click session tool and unsolo. So in this time, select this hand 1, let's link to hand 2. Select hand 2, link to hand 3. And select these 3 hand layers and go to click this icon, and as you can see here, auto rig. Let's click ignore and wait for rigging. So select hand controller and we can change icon size here, and let's see. Okay, very nice. This is a very fast way for rigging full character hand or foots. Okay, let's open hand 2 conversation and select hand layer. Go to puppet pin tool. Let's add 1 puppet here, 1 here, and 1 here. Okay, click session tool and select puppet here. And again, click this icon. As you can see here, add pins. Let's click and click ignore for adding pins. Okay, we have 3 pins. Let's select this puppet pin 3. Link to puppet pin 2, select puppet pin 2, link to puppet pin 1, and select 3 puppets. Go to again Duik Angela and click kinematics, select I key. Nice. We have new controller. Select controller here and let's see. Nice, very good. We have hand rigging with only 1 vector layer. So let's open hand 3 conversation. Again, we have 3 layers and click this icon. Okay, so select these 3 layers, press T, open opacity, and change opacity like this for see inside. Let's zoom in a little bit. So don't select any layers, go to pen tool and let's make line for create bones. 1 here, here, and last 1 here. So after create this line, don't click selection tool, go to Duik, click this icon, bones, and open humanoid, select arm. Okay, so let's click selection tool and we have bones. Select this first bone, this is 111, and this is 11, and this bone name 1. So select this layer 1. Let's link to bone 1. Select layer 11, link to bone 11. Select 111 layer, link to 111 bone. So select the 3 layers, change opacity 100%, close settings, and select these 4 bones. Go to again Duik Angela and click auto rig. Click ignore. Okay, so select this controller, let's see. Okay, very nice, pretty good. Select this controller, go to icon and change icon here for easy controller and change color to white. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.